Hi, welcome to BrainyBuzz. This is the sixth tutorial for the HTML course. From the previous tutorials, we have learned how to structure the HTML document, how to design it, what are the important tags that are the HTML head and body tag that are included in the web page. Another thing, we have looked into the attributes that are there in the body tag, the colors, what are the ways with which we can color the text or the background, or what are the types of colors that we can use. Another thing, we have seen the heading, paragraph and the line break tags. So now today we are going to see the HTML formatting tags. Formatting is basically used to design your UI, that how your UI should look, which content should be in bold or italic, underline, like this. Like you basically design the UI part. The heading tag, the paragraph and line break, everything is part of the formatting tags. Now in this we are going to read about the centering content, non-breaking space, bold, italic and underline. In the centering content, like you have seen in the heading tags, it is basically like whenever you want to put an heading in the center, you will be using the align attribute of the heading tag to place it in the center. So but what if you want to place a text or some other image or list, table, anything in the center? For that you won't use, and you don't have the align attribute. So what you do, you basically use the center tag. Let me show you a demo. This is the structure of the web page over here. So I just write it, this is a sample text, and just save it. Okay, I'll just save it using the HTML formatting. And in the demos, what we have seen, okay, I saved it using the text extension. Okay, I have changed the extension to HTML. Now we can see that we have a text that is the left align, but I want to put it in the center. So what I use, I'll basically write it in between the center start and the center close tag. So when I just save it and I go back here, now your text is in center. Another attribute we have is the non-breaking space. There are some times when we want to put more number of spaces between two words, like 5 spaces we want to put. But what a browser will do, it will take it only as the one space. It will trim other spaces. Like I want to put some spaces over here, and I like hello world. Just save it. And now what it has done, it has basically put only one space over here, and I want to put more number of spaces. For that we use this line non-breaking spaces, that is the ampersand NBSP semicolon. This is used to write more number of spaces. Like this one thing is equal to one space. So if you put 5 ampersand NBSP semicolon, so you will get the 5 spaces. So let me put it over here, ampersand NBSP semicolon. Just copy paste it. I have put 1 2 3 4 5 spaces. So over here I'll get 5 spaces. Another tags that we have are bold, italic and underline. Bold, italic and underline, these 3 tags are basically used to make your text look bold, italic, or if you want to underline your text. So these are the opening and closing tags. So here is also an example over here, like this text is in bold, it became bold, it became italic, and everything is underlined. So let me show you a demo for it. You want to put everything in center. So here it's like you can also nest your tags. So like I made a paragraph over here, this text is in bold. So I'll start bold over here and close the paragraph tag. So now what I'll get, it's this thing. This will be in the center, and my bold text is in bold as compared to the normal text. So over here what I have written, these are the nesting of the tags. So whatever the text that you have written between the B tags, that is the start and the closing tag, that will be in bold. Now I just write it everything between in the center only, and I'll write this text is in italic. Close the I tag and close the P tag, and when you just save it, you'll get this preview, or you get this type of the document. Thing is that its text is in center italic as compared to the original or the default text. Now for underline, you don't want the underline text to come between your center tag, so you can just put it after the closing center tag. So this text is underlined. Let me close the P tag also, just save it, and you have seen this text is no more in the center of the web page because we haven't put in the center tag. So by default it is left aligned, and the text that you want is underlined. So you can also put everything in as the underlined, like this. If you write it like this and save it, over here your whole text is underlined. So it depends on you what exactly you want in your web page, or how you want your web page to look like. Either you want to underline everything, or if it's like, if you want, you can also make a text look like bold, italic and underline both. So first of all, you will close the I tag as it is in the end over here, and after that you close the B tag. So you should do it in the sequence. So just save it. So you have this text as bold, italic and underline. Okay, I hope you got this thing. Thanks and have a nice day.